How to create a new collage with Yoshion App. Ready to get creative? We are going to walk through making a brand new collage using the Yoshion App. It's super easy. First things first, open up the Yoshion App on your device. Here it is. Let's tap on it and go inside it. So we are inside it. Let's wait for a while. And here you can see a collage option. It's right over here. Tap on it. Now the app wants to access your photos and videos on this device. Simply tap on allow. Without allowing this, you may not be able to add your images to this app. So here's the photo. Let me add 2 photos. This one and this one. Then tap on next. You can add multiple photos as you like. Here I'm using 2 photos. Then you will be provided this type of options. There's an option for the layout, ratio, background, border, and etc. So let's go with them one by one. On the layout, you can choose how you want to present your photo, like this. Just choose the one that feels right for you. Maybe this one. So there's not the perfect one, but yep. So that's it. You can swap, restore, replace, crop, and rotate, but it's only for the one photo, I think. So I want this part to be there like this. And once you are done, there's other options too. Let's explore them too. And here you can choose the ratio. So choose the ratio according to which or where you want to upload this collage into. Either you want to upload it to the IG, Insta Story, Facebook, or other platforms. Let's keep it Pinterest. Then let's go to the border too. And here you can see 3 options on the borders. There's border outside, and this is between the 2. You can adjust it as you like, maybe this much. And there you can see a corner too. If you do that, you can see the corners on your photos like this. I think this much is fine. And let's go to the background too. On the background, you can choose how your background look like. For this white background you are seeing, you can replace it with the background that is presented right over here. Like this one, so it looks like this. You can choose the one that you prefer. Then after you are done with it, simply tap on this tick mark. And we are done with the layout. Now let's go to the stickers. Here you can see sticker as a second option. Let's tap on it. Then under the stickers you can see several options too. There's a lot of options, and the first one is of emojis. Let's keep some flowers, and obviously you can explore more on your own too. Let's tap on flowers. Let's add this flower right over here. Let's add another one too, like this, and it's done. So you can add as much stickers as you want. Then there's an option for the text. Here you can add the text. Let's write it normal day for now. Then tap on text. By the way, you can also change the color of the text like this. Purple is fine. And from here you can choose the font too, like this maybe. And you can just adjust the font size too. That's it. That's the way you can add the font on your photo. And if you don't like, you can simply tap on this cross right over here. And if you want to adjust, you can use this space like this one. That's how you can add the text. And there's an option for the paint, which will help you to paint through the collage. And here's also an option called add, by using which you can add another photo to your collage too. And after you're happy with all of this, simply tap on this save right over here, and it's done. So that's the way you can make a new collage using the Yoshion app, and also how you can use the layout, borders, position, stickers on your collage too. So overall, you have just created your own Yoshion collage. Pretty neat, right? That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next videos.